Igbo ladies, or girls from the southeastern parts of Nigeria, are one of the most beautiful and intelligent women in the world. In marriage, apart from being supportive, loving, and caring wives, Igbo ladies have some attitudes and practices which they can't do away with while in their husband homes. So, do you have a wife who is from Igbo tribe, or in love and about to get married to one? This is for you, because this video is all about those attitudes and practices which Igbo ladies cannot do away with, even when they are married. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more videos from us. First on our list is their local delicacies will fill out the home menu. Igbos have a large variety of delicious dishes, and their women are trained to know these recipes from an early age. They also have love for their local meals, and so they find it difficult to change their diet to food from other areas. No doubt after marriage, especially if they are married to someone from another country or tribe, they can make the necessary compromise and eat other dishes, but be rest assured that they will not throw their home food completely away. They find ways to cajole their new family into accepting their local dishes, and this is usually easy, as Igbo meals are usually delicious, and the girls are great cooks. They are very religious. Igbos are very religious people, and their preferred religion is Christianity. Most Igbo girls are brought up in strict religious homes, and as such, they have the fear of God and the belief in His supremacy instilled in them. Even when they get emancipated from their parents, they still carry those values with them into their marriage and homes. Be prepared to go to church every Sunday and observe religious holidays and church programs. Once married to an Igbo girl, they hardly compromise on this or convert to other religions. They will speak their language to the children. While most Igbo girls are well groomed and can speak English without the detection of a local accent, they are usually well versed in their dialect and are proud to speak it at any time. Even when they marry from other tribes or country, they do not neglect their dialects for their husbands or a foreign one. Their children most usually speak this mother tongue first before learning that of their husband or any other language. So also, they tend to pass down unique Igbo traits and traditions to their children even if they are married into other tribe. Traditional wedding must be held in the village. Just before you fall in love with that Igbo lady, please be informed that your traditional wedding must take place in the village. This one truth, Igbos don't joke with. No matter how small their village may be, you can't get married to their daughter without getting to the village to fulfill all the traditional rites. If you get married to any Igbo girl without securing her family blessing, God helps you that no tragedy happens to her, else you will secure her family wrath. They will take care of you with love. Igbo girls are beautiful and intelligent, but most of all, they are very caring, hardworking, and industrious. They are generally strong women, and while the husband plays the head of the home and brings home the bread, she most likely ends up being the foundation of the house, takes care of the kids, the budget, the food, the home generally. She will not hesitate to take up several jobs to support her husband and family, and she will still fulfill her wifely duty to keep everyone happy. They value the presence of their family. Igbo ladies have deep regard for family, and so usually want to have members of their family around. Most of the time, her relationship with her parents, siblings, and even extended family is close-knit, and she will not compromise or cut them off in a hurry. So when marrying an Igbo girl, you have to keep in mind that your home will always be packed with family members. Even if you decided to live far away from family, be rest assured that she will keeping in touch with her family members, will get homesick a lot, and so she will be in constant communication with her family and will always invite them over during holidays and festive seasons. Thanks for watching, and feel free to add yours at the comment section below.